Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add neon effect on button and also add neon effect on hover button using custom CSS in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. So this is our button widget. Now click on it. On left side you see content style advanced, so click on advanced. So we are going to add custom CSS, and then scroll down, you see custom CSS, so click on it. So we are going to add, now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see neon effect added on button. So when we hover on it, now you see also add effect on hover button. Now you see when we hover again, now you see selector color, so you can add color scheme according to requirement. So this is a yellow color basically. And then you see selector A text shadow, so you can add number according to requirement. Now you see multiple number box shadow. Now you see glowing hour effect, selector A. Now you see box shadow 2 EM, 1 EM. So you can add number according to requirement. So we are going to change it 5.1. Now you see 5.1 EM. We added in selector A after effect on box shadow. Now hover on it. Now you see. Now remove. So we added 0.1 EM. Now hover on it. Now you see box shadow reduce. So you can add number or adjust this number according to requirement. Now you see selector A our colon after opacity 1. So you can add color scheme according to requirement and then click on update. Now update done, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see button neon effect. Now hover on it. Again you see neon effect on button hover in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.